the Garmin Forerunner 275, unofficially dubbed. As the successor to the successful Forerunner 265, this upcoming model promises to address user requests, integrate cutting-edge tech, and carve out a sweet spot in the mid-range GPS smartwatch category. Here's an expansive look at everything we know so far: leaks, design whispers, health tracking upgrades, navigational tools, battery enhancements, connectivity perks, price projections, and potential release dates. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Garmin usually hatches new Forerunner models on a biennial schedule, phasing them every 2 years. Here's a quick retrospective. If Garmin sticks to its well-oiled cadence, the Forerunner 275 is likely to debut in spring 2025, most probably around March, timed to coincide with the onset of prime running season in the Northern Hemisphere. It's an ideal launch window for folks training for spring races and preparing for summer goal events. Track Garmin's official announcements between January and April 2025, when teaser imagery and press releases usually surface. One of the most exciting rumors revolves around a major facelift in aesthetics and visuals. Larger AMOLED screen. Expect a noticeable bump in display size, potentially around 1.4 to 1.5 inches, but squeezed into almost the same chassis footprint via reduced bezels. Enhanced visibility. AMOLED panels deliver vibrant color, deep blacks, and high contrast. This translates to better legibility under bright sunshine and low-light environments. Streamlined build. Leaks hint at a sleeker, slimmer bezel profile, lending the watch a more contemporary, fashion-forward look. Don't be surprised if Garmin also offers more vibrant colorways, perhaps coral, teal, slate, or gradient finishes. Comfort-centric design tweaks. Maintenance of lightweight, ergonomic structures ensures prolonged comfort, a signature hallmark of Garmin's wearables. Skin temperature sensors. While not confirmed, some insider chatter speculates skin surface thermistors, which may enable metrics like skin temperature, a parameter gaining traction in sophisticated recovery and hydration algorithms. Garmin prides itself on expanding wellness capabilities with each watch iteration. For the Forerunner 275, several notable upgrades are rumored. Elevated cardiovascular monitoring. New optical heart rate sensor. Expect more accurate, swift heart rate acquisition, thanks to fresher sensor hardware or optimized firmware. Real-time workout data, recovery HRV, and stress scores should be smoother and more dependable. Blood oxygen saturation, SpO2. Garmin has brought SpO2 to other devices. The 275 may offer auto mode monitoring, especially during sleep, ensuring seamless tracking without manual activation. HRV, heart rate variability. Enhanced HRV means better recovery analytics, invigorating Garmin's body battery and stress models to more accurately reflect day-to-day well-being. Smart recovery and fitness features. VO2 max estimation. Already prevalent, but expect refined algorithms, yielding more precise VO2 max figures across a broader demographic. Training load and status. Enhanced insights into aerobic versus anaerobic load, recovery timelines, and fitness trends over time. Recovery Time Advisor. Based on intensity and stress, even sleep,